Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. And this is Adyasha, and today I am going to show you Lord Ganesha's idol making. And it will be very easy for you. And wish you a happy Ganesh Chaturthi. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give a big thumbs up and let's get started.
Deva Shree Ganesha, 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 Deva Shree Ganesha.
So guys, this is what you will need: a popsicle stick, toothpick, MCL and any hair oil that you have at home. The MCL has 2 packets like this, and you have to mix them up with applying hair oil on your hands. You should apply hair oil because it may stain your hand, as I'm doing here, applying the hair oil in hand and kneading it. You have to knead it completely. Now I'm making the belly of Lord Ganesha and fixing it with my base. I have taken a wooden block for the base, and I am applying oil and smoothing the surface of the MCL. Now I am making Ganesha's leg. I am taking a small ball-like shape and shaping it, and now I am fixing the leg with the body, and I am doing the same for the other leg also. Now I'm making the Ganesha's head with his trunk means sewn, and fixing it with a stick with the body. Now I am making the arms of Ganesha, and you have to follow the steps. Now I am making the palms of Ganesha and scraping it with a toothpick to get the fingers, and I am fixing this with the arm, and I am repeating the same with the other hand also. Now I am scraping some MCL on his pants to give a cloth-like structure. Ganesha's one hand will be like giving blessings, and another hand will be like holding something which a little modak will kept on the left hand. Here I am making the ears and fixing it to Ganesha's head. I am repeating the same with the other ear also. Now I am making Ganesha's crown or mukut and fixing it with the top of his head and shaping with my fingers. Now I am making a little mouse which will be sit beside Lord Ganesha's idol and shaping with my fingers and making his tail with a rope-like structure. I am taking the same rope-like structure and fixing for the bangles and pile of Ganesha. Also, I am taking some of these rope-like structure and fixing to the neck of the mouse. And we have completed all our pencil work. Now, let's get into the paint. I have painted them all white. Make sure your clay means the pencil must be dried before painting. And now I am applying the skin color on Ganesha's face, and you will be knowing which color I am applying by seeing the video. So there will be not much talking. So enjoy the video. Now I am painting the base as red. You can use any color for your base. I am now detailing the idol of Ganesha, the mouse and everything with the black acrylic paint. So guys, I'm decorating the paint with the white base by putting triangular lines into it, which will look really beautiful. And you can do any such patterns for your base. Now I am completing the base decorating part by applying some white paint as I told you. Now you can apply some stones, glitters to decorate your idol. I will put a little modak plate, plate having some modaks. I made that using MCL. You can also put. So I am done.
Deva Shri Ganesha, 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 Deva Shri Ganesha.
Wish you all happy Ganesh Puja.